Exercise 8.3. Find a vector dot b vector when a vector equal to I vector minus 2j vector plus k vector, b vector equal to 3i vector minus 4j vector minus 2k vector. Here we want to find a dot b. A vector is here and b vector is here. We have to do the dot product. Okay, so in dot product we have to multiply the corresponding vectors, that means I vector, j vector and k vector. Here we want to multiply the coefficients of I vector is nothing but 1 into 3, that is 3, and then minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8, and then 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2. So if you simplify these 3, 11 minus 2, this is 9. Second division, a vector is 2i vector plus 2j vector minus k vector. B vector is vi vector minus 3j vector plus 2k vector. Here we want to find a dot b. So a vector is here and b vector is here. We have to do the dot product. Dot product is nothing but we have to multiply the corresponding vectors, the coefficient of vectors. So 2 into 6, 12, and then 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. If you simplify this, 12 minus 8 is 4. Second problem. Find the value of lambda for which the vector a and b are perpendicular, where a vector is 2a vector plus lambda j vector plus k vector and b vector is I vector minus 2j vector plus 3k vector. Here in this problem it's clearly given vector a vector and b vector are perpendicular. The condition for perpendicular is a dot b equal to 0. So we can put the value of a here, a vector, and here this is b vector. We have to do the dot product. Put equal to 0 because a dot b equal to 0 is the condition for the perpendicularity. And then we want to find the dot product here. That means 2 into 1 is 2. Lambda into minus 2 is minus 2. 1 into 3 is 3. So we can say, simplify this 2 plus 5, 3 is 5. And take this minus 2 lambda to that side as plus 2 lambda. Therefore, lambda equal to 5 by 2. In the second division, we have a vector is 2i minus plus 4j minus 4k and b vector equal to 3i minus 2j plus 2k vector. Here it's given clearly a and b are perpendicular vectors, that implies a dot b equal to 0. A vector is here and b vector is here, which is equal to 0. So a dot b, we have to do the dot product. So 2 into 3 is 6. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 1 into lambda is minus lambda. Here 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Take this minus lambda to the other side, it will become plus lambda. So lambda equal to minus 2. Third problem. If a and b are the two vertex vectors such that a vector modulus of a vector equal to 10, modulus of b vector equal to 15 and modulus of a dot b equal to 75 root 2. Find the angle between vector a and vector b. Here it's given modulus of a vector, modulus of b vector and a dot b equal to 75 root 2. We want to find the angle between a vector and b vector. We know the formula for angle, finding the angle between two vectors. That is, the formula is cos theta equal to vector a dot vector b divided by modulus of a vector into modulus of b vector. Here the values of a dot b is given, isn't it? So we can say 75 root 2 divided by modulus of A vector is 10 and modulus of B vector is 15. So we substitute the value here. We can cancel here by 15 and 75. So here it is 1 time, this is 5 times, and here we can cancel 2 times. So root 2 by 2 here. So we can take this 2 as 1 by root 2 into root 2. So we can cancel one more root 2. So the value is 1 by root 2. Cos theta equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore theta equal to 45 degree or 5 by 4. This 45 degree we can get from the trigonometric table. We have 30, 45, 60 values, isn't it? So which value is 1 by root 2 in cos? That is 45 degree. So theta equal to 45. If you convert this into radian, that is 5 by 4.